Hello user, welcome to my channel Learning with Khatak. In the last video, we have created a simple structure in a very simple way by declaring two data members inside the structures and then creating two different variables, one variable inside the main and one variable just behind the structure. So now in this video we are going to access structure members to take values from the keyboard and then display these value. So for this purpose, let me create a structure that is just like a structure struct imply info is the name of structure. This time we have three data members of the structure. One is array, other one is the employee age, and the third one is employee salary. Okay, keep in mind this structure declaration is always start with the keyword struct and then imply info. This is the user defined name which is given to the structures. You can write here any name by following just the variable declaration name. Now this is the structure body. Inside the structure body, these are called the member of the structures. Okay, then we have to create a structure variable. And now this is the structure variable imply info. P1 is the structure variable. Now uh, we want to get values from the user via keyboard. For this purpose, let me write here that cout enter full name cn get p1 dot name. 50 means the name can consist up to 50 characters, and then I'm going to enter the age and then enter the salary. Okay. Then simply these few commands will take values from the user and then respectively store inside the employee name data member, employee age data member, and then employee salary data member. So now I want to display them. Simply cout name p1 dot name, employee name, age, and then salary. So if I run this code, enter the full name. Here I'm going to enter let's suppose Ali Arsalan. This is the name and the age is 33 and salary is, let me enter a dummy salary. Now look at this, displaying information: name Ali Arsalan, age 33 and then salary is that one. So this is a simple way to enter value from the keyboard, and then this is a simple way to display the values. So thank you very much. Wait for the next lecture.